If you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for more insights. Have you ever felt stuck, like you're pushing for a goal that seems just out of reach? You're working hard, but the results just aren't there. This feeling of being trapped is often a sign that we are clinging too tightly to our desires. We want something so badly, and that very neediness creates resistance. Imagine a child yearning for a toy. Their desperation makes it the only thing they can focus on. The universe, however, responds to our energy and vibration. When we're consumed by lack, that's exactly what we attract. The key is to shift from a place of wanting to a place of allowing. It's about trusting that the universe knows what we desire and is working to bring it into our lives. This doesn't mean we become passive. It means we act from a place of alignment, not desperation. The law of attraction is always in motion, responding to our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. It's like a universal mirror, reflecting back to us what we hold within. When we understand this principle, we realize the immense power we possess. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel, is a vibration sent out into the universe. These vibrations attract like energies. If we focus on lack, fear, or doubt, we attract more of the same. But when we choose thoughts of abundance, joy, and gratitude, we open ourselves up to receiving blessings. Letting go is not about giving up on our dreams. It's about releasing the tight grip of control and trusting in the divine timing of the universe. Imagine a child letting go of a balloon. They may feel a moment of sadness as it floats away, but they also experience the joy of watching it soar. Letting go allows our desires to rise to the heavens, where they can be met with infinite possibilities. The universe has an abundance of everything we could ever want or need. Writing down our desires is a powerful technique for manifestation. When we put pen to paper, we give our dreams a physical form. However, the true magic happens when we release our attachment to the outcome. Write down your desire in detail, feeling the joy of it already being yours. Then, release it. Let go of the need to control every step of the process. Think of it like sending a letter to the universe. You've clearly stated your request, and now you trust that it's being delivered to the right destination. Don't hold on to the letter, keep rewriting it, or constantly check the mailbox for a reply. Simply trust that the universe has received your message and is working on your behalf. The journey of letting go and trusting in the universe is a process. There will be moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty. That's okay. It's all part of the journey of growth and expansion. The key is to keep returning to a place of love, gratitude, and trust. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. To help you deepen your understanding and practice of these principles, we offer a variety of resources, including free courses and exclusive content on our Patreon page. There, you'll find a supportive community, guided meditations, and practical tools to assist you in manifesting your dreams. You are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your wildest dreams. The universe is conspiring with you to bring your desires to fruition. But it's up to you to create the space for those blessings to flow into your life. Letting go is not about giving up. It's about making room for something even greater to emerge. Release your attachment to the outcome, trust in the divine timing of the universe, and watch in amazement as your dreams unfold in perfect harmony. The power to create the life you desire is within you. Choose to let go and allow the universe to work its magic. Your dreams are waiting to become your reality.